Welcome to CherryPatch. In this walkthrough, we are managing two Shopify environments, a production store and a pre-production staging store. Our staging environment is scheduled to launch next week, but our live production store has recently received some new layout updates. Let's look at how we can seamlessly merge these changes. Over on the production store, we've just added a new layered slideshow section to the homepage. You can see a few other new sections here as well. Our goal is to push these specific layout updates directly to our staging environment without overwriting any of our other work. To do this, we'll open the CherryPatch app and launch the Theme Compare tool. We'll select the Copy Sections mode. Next, we set Production as our source and Pre-production as our target destination. Then we click Load File Lists. Because our updates are on the homepage, we will select the index.json template. CherryPatch immediately generates a visual diff. From this list, we'll select the collection links and our new layered slideshow to migrate. With our sections selected, we simply click Apply Changes to Theme and confirm. CherryPatch instantly merges the JSON data in the background. Finally, if we switch over to our pre-production store and refresh the page, we can see that the new layered slideshow and collection links have been perfectly integrated from production. It's that simple. The changes have been applied. Once we refresh the page, our pre-production environment matches production perfectly. You can now see the updated section and our new layered slideshow.